Hey everybody, this is Kimberly Thibodeaux, and today I decided I wanted to talk to you about a subject near and dear to my own heart, which is making videos. I love making videos. I think it's just because I was born a ham, but I also have a lot of experience. Now, I know that's not the case for a lot of you. And so I wanted to give you a few tips and tricks that you can use when it's time for you, yes you, to make a video, okay? So let's start with number 1. First, make sure you have a very nice, uncluttered background. You can be inside, you can be outside, but just make sure there's not like a bunch of kitty toys around or a mess behind you. Even if you have to push the mess to either side, that's okay. But just make sure you have a nice, interesting, but clean and uncluttered background. That's number 1. Number 2, don't be nervous. Now, I know that's easier said than done, and certainly for live videos, I understand why you could be nervous, but for this kind of video that I'm recording for you, if you don't like what you did, you can do it over and over until you do. But you know what? Don't do it too many times. Be perfectly imperfect. That's what we all aim for, so you can get it out there, because that's the most important thing. So here is another really, really important tip. Do you see how I am looking straight on into the camera? I'm not looking up and I'm not looking down. This is so important, especially, looking down, we don't want that nasty double chin, do we? And plus, it doesn't look right. You want to feel like you're sitting there talking to someone. So just make sure you get your camera, whether you're holding it, whether you've got it on a little tripod like I've got right now, just make sure that you are at eye level with the camera, not looking up, not looking down. The other thing that really helps me and could very well help you is pretend you're talking to a friend that's right out there, that's looking right at you, been your best friend all your life, and you're just talking to them, telling them about what you're doing or what you're good at or what you want to promote. Just pretend that it's your friend, okay? Now, another thing I learned, and this is going to sound really, really corny, but it's been proven that it works. And that is, before you do anything that you're afraid of, go and stand up straight, plant your feet, throw your shoulders back, and do like the Superman pose. And just stand there and take about 3 deep breaths. And you'll be surprised at how much better you feel, and you'll really feel like you can take on the world. And so that will really help you before you decide to make a video. Now also, it's okay to have notes. I've got some notes right now. And so, as I was saying earlier, you don't have to be perfect. You know what people want? They want you to be yourself. They want you to be yourself because they want to get to know you. So I hope you're getting to know me. The next thing is, don't feel like you have to be this editing whiz, because I am not. I can throw this video up on ScreenFlow, do a couple little things, and that's about the size of it. I'm not a big time editor. And honestly, you don't even have to edit if you don't want to. If you'd rather just take it and just take your video and just throw it up on Facebook, go for it. But if you want it up on YouTube, and honestly, it will make a clearer, just more beautiful video if you do it in HD in screencast and put it on YouTube, and then you can put it wherever you want. But don't feel like you have to do that. Don't feel like you have to have a lot of bells and whistles. when you're doing a video, because you don't. You just need you and a phone, which is what I'm using, and one of those little beauty lights. That's all I've got. And so those are my tips. Those are my tips for making the best kind of video that will get you noticed. Now, the reason that I like to make these videos is to promote things that I believe in. And you know, I don't promote a lot of products. I really don't. So when one comes along that I believe in, I'm all for it. So the one I believe in right now, and for a long time moving forward, is called the Digital Affiliates by Beckett, who is an almost 3-time 2-comma award winner from Russell Brunson. Do you know what that means? Do you know what that means? It's millions and millions and millions of dollars that he has been able to create. So if you want more leads, if you want more sales, if you want something that will help you promote whatever it is that you're selling, as well as a way to make extra income too. This is not network marketing. Don't think that it is. It's not that there's anything wrong with that. This is not network marketing. It's just Bob is putting his heart and soul into this program. He's in the group. He is, in the back office. He's doing a 100-day challenge. Every single day he's posting what he does so we can model. So really, I highly, highly recommend you at least take a look. Just take a look. And I'll give you a link. Depending on where you're seeing this, the link will either be in the comments, the link will be in the description, but please take a look. I really think you'll like what you see. So until next time, like I say, love, light, and abundance. This is Kimberly Thibodeaux.